I think when treating skin conditions, you've got to be able to work from the inside out in identifying and treating the cause, and also be able to use safe, effective, natural ingredients from the outside in so we can address acute concerns, because that's what we do as well. While we're digging deep and understanding, hey, what's going on from the inside out, we have to be able to help the patient out because usually skin conditions, they're unsightly, they're embarrassing, they're painful at times, and I think you can do both effectively at this point in time. Example, I had a woman, she's about 28 years old, and she all of her life had this hyperfollicular keratosis, so these little red bumps on the back of her arms, both arms, on her legs, and also on her buttocks. Now, when she got to me, we made some significant improvements when we understood that she was definitely sensitive to wheat and she had some other food sensitivities. And we cleaned up her gut a little bit, as well as she had a candida, a non-candida yeast overgrowth, and some bacterial overgrowth. So at the same time, her lifestyle, for the most part, she ran very hard, sort of burning the candle at both ends. There was flare up, so she wasn't able to stay consistent sometimes on the protocols or the treatment regimen from the inside out. And I started to use a clinically studied botanical ointment for topical use, right? So clinically studied, being able to decrease the readiness, the desquamation, basically, that inflammation, and it worked like a charm. She was absolutely amazed. Now, she stayed compliant as much as she could with our inside out treatments, but this was the ultimate synergy of treating skin conditions, in my opinion, from the outside in as well. Naturally, effective, and safe. That is what we are meant to do: identify and treat the cause, but at the same time, treat acute concerns. And so, getting to the root issue is always going to be one of the things that we do all the time. But gosh darn it, if we can make a difference immediately that is safe and effective on the outside scarring of skin conditions, it's just the best of both worlds.